An IS consultant. Today we're going to be showing you the Precision Ag Essentials kit that John Deere's came out with. So let's go unbox it.
So one of the first pieces that comes in the new Essentials kit is going to be a G5 display. This is a nice large screen here. We got your connections in the back. This is a universal display and we have a nice compatibility chart to make sure it can go into your piece of equipment. So the next piece that we have here is your choice of a modem. This is an M modem. You can also use an R modem. An R modem is going to be a replacement for a John Deere type of tractor, and M modem can be used in older pieces of machinery or competitive machines. The last thing that you're going to have is a 7000 receiver. This comes with SF1 already in base, or you can add SF RTK, which is going to pull from the satellites for your RTK.
So with this Precision Ag Essentials kits, there's essentially 3 different package offerings. The first package includes in the display auto track, section control, and row sense, with the receiver coming as SF1. For the second package offering, it will be those 3 licenses: auto track, section control, row sense, with the receiver coming as SF RTK. The third package in the Precision Ag Essentials kit is the automation features, the advanced license that comes with the receiver as SF RTK, and then it has auto track implement guidance, it has auto track turn automation, and auto path.
If you have any further questions on a Precision Ag Essentials kit, reach out to your local Castonia salesman, or you can reach an IS consultant on our Expert Connect hotline, 219-327-6676.
Thank you for watching our Precision Ag Essentials kit unboxing video. Stay tuned on our social media pages for more IS content.